Hey guys, so I got a quick video for you today. I want to share with you this new gadget I got. This is a TP-Link smart Wi-Fi plug. Got this on Amazon. It came up on my deals of the day for, I want to say, something like 20 some bucks. I picked up two of them. They were relatively inexpensive. And I've been using these for a few weeks, and I have to say, I'm really impressed with these. I didn't think that a smart Wi-Fi plug would be something I need or would use, but now that I have two, I have to admit that I really do like these, and I have very specific use cases for them. I wouldn't use them just to turn on lights normally, although you could do that. A light switch is just as good. However, for certain use cases, this is good. So for traveling, for instance, you can use this just like a normal timer, but you can adjust it remotely, and you can turn the lights on remotely, and you can adjust the schedule. And it also has like this away setting that will allow you to cycle on and off at random periods of time, so it makes it seem like people are home. You can also use this to control a heater, which is really interesting, which is what I want it for, so that I can pre-warm the garage out here with a little oil-filled heater. Now you might be thinking, whoa, you can't control something, with that much amperage through this, but this actually has a relay in it. So this is rated up to 15 amps, so a regular household plug. Perfectly fine, and in fact, in the software, it even shows a little heater icon that you can change each of the, each of the plugs to, and I'll show you that here in a second. So all you do is plug this in, you pair it to your Wi-Fi, local Wi-Fi, or I should say, you pair it to your Wi-Fi, and then you hook it up with your smartphone, smart device. The other thing that is really cool is you can control it with your Google Home, and I'll show you how that works as well. I think it's also compatible with Alexa as well. So I'll show you what it does now. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna plug it in, and I've already paired this. This will turn green once it gets a signal, so we'll wait for that to turn green. Also, this indicator light here and button, this is a power button to manually override the switch. So you can use it to turn on your device, even if you're not close to your smartphone. Now that we have a connection with the little Wi-Fi symbol here, I'm gonna plug in a lamp. When I push this button to manually override, the light comes on, the light goes off. So that's manual override, easy enough. But then on the app, so the app is called Casa, and I've already installed it and set up all the plugs. And right now this is on kitchen light, but we'll just go back one. And here you can see that I have the smart plugs, and I have them labeled garage heater and kitchen light. That's kitchen light. Obviously the kitchen light is not in the kitchen, it's out here right now. So when I push this button here, it turns on the light. You can hear the relay click in, meaning it also supports, again, like I mentioned, high voltage, or I should say high current. Turns it off. But then I can also go in and configure it and give it any name I want or any icon. So I gave it a light bulb icon because it's a light. But you can choose different icons now. And I can rename it, so I can give it any device name I want. Set time zone, set all that good stuff. But here you can do like a schedule when it turns on and off, so I can have it come on this time, come off at this time. You can set as many as you want. You can have an away schedule, and this will randomly, I believe, cycle, turn on and off, so it makes it look like someone's home. And here's the timer, which I can tell it after a certain period of time to count down and turn either the smart plug on or turn the smart plug off. So I can set it on, off after 5 minutes, click start, and it'll just start counting down. So this will turn on after 5 minutes, it'll count down, and it'll turn that on. I'm not gonna bother to do that right now. But what I will show you is that I've used it to control a heater, and also I have my Google Home, and I've used it, I've configured it with Google Home. So you can add these plugs in Google Home. So under Google Home in Home Control, I have them in here: TP-Link, Casa, garage heater, kitchen light. So you can link those. It's pretty easy to do, just follow the instructions. So I'll show you the Google Home now. I have my Google Home here, and I'll use it to turn on the light. Once I've linked it to my Google Home account, I can just say, okay Google, turn on kitchen light.
You got it, turning the kitchen light on.
So that's pretty cool, hands-free. Okay Google, turn off the kitchen light.
You got it, turning the kitchen light off.
And alternatively, I can also turn on the heater out in the garage. So normally, I typically have this Google Home inside the house. So if I wanted to pre-warm the garage, I can certainly do that. So this is my other TP-Link smart plug, and I have the oil-filled heater connected to it, so I can remotely turn on the heater out in the garage when I'm inside the house, so I can pre-warm it before I come out, because I don't keep the heat always fully up out here. So I do have a heater over here, a genuine just heater to keep the frost off everything. But I do use this to be able to warm up the garage before I come out. So I can do, okay Google, turn on the garage heater.
You got it, turning the garage heater on.
Okay Google, turn off the garage heater.
Okay, turning the garage heater off.
And there we have it. Pretty cool, eh? That does it for this video. I thought I would share these with you because I thought they were really cool. At first I thought they would be gimmicky, but hey, for 20 bucks I thought, what the hell, I'll give it a chance. And surprisingly, I do have a use case for them. Your use case might be different, but hey, I'm using it to pre-warm my garage with the heater because again, like I said, these will control up to 15 amps or handle up to 15 amps. And for traveling, I can use this as a timer or to remotely control the lights. And I'll add the links down below if you're interested. I'm not doing an affiliate link, I'm only sharing these because I thought they were cool. And until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye for now.